Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review, and today we are going to get into a little fragrance chit chat, okay? So if you're interested in kind of hearing my thoughts on some fragrances, and I have an unboxing first impression, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. But that's okay. Just subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in, okay? I see y'all coming through. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, okay? I have some fragrances, and we're just going to chat it up, all right? What really started up this chit chat that I had to come to my family, okay? So, my Dua lovers, come close. Come close, girl. Okay. Come close, sister. Now, I will say, currently right now, okay, when I am taping this video, I see that this is sold out. So, you're going to have to maybe, go on the waiting list. But when it comes back, or if you have this in your collection, you already know, okay? But I wanted to talk about none other than Amberlicious, okay? And not just because it has my name in it, okay? But this is amazing, all right? I have gotten compliments on top of compliments. Oh my goodness, and I can smell it from here, okay? This winter season, now listen. This is your kind of like a sweeter, woody fragrance, okay? Think of like a sweet, kind of a tobacco type of fragrance with some amber in it. We're going to go over the notes, but I'm just trying to give you like a little bit of a picture. I have gotten so many compliments on this fragrance. Every time I have worn this, I have complimented myself. I went into work. I got several compliments from women, okay? So I haven't gotten it from the men folk, and I don't know if it's because it's very much a kind of a tobacco woody type of sweeter fragrance. Now, I will say, I think a man can get away with this. So men, listen up too, okay? Listen. This is for you. You know, my 5 brothers out there. This is for you. I feel like you would love this, okay? Now, let's go over the notes. So we have honey, benzoin. We have lambda, we have musk, vanilla. We have some sesame seed. We have caramel rum, cinnamon, white orchid, tonka bean, and amber accord, okay? And I am reading from the Dua site. When I tell you those notes together, this is amazing, especially for this season, this winter, this cold. And honey, we got snow, so this heavy cold. We are a -1. What in the world is a -1 in Tennessee? Tell me what that is, okay? All right. My friend was talking about, he's in Chicago, and he was like, it was -13. I don't even know what that looked like.
I got a coat. No, nigga, you need to buy your coat from here for here.
So either way, this fights through that negative cold, that negative, any temperature that's in the negative is busting through those, okay? Cold winter nights. And this is so, oh, it's so sexy, comforting. It's like a sexy comfort, amber, spicy, oriental type of fragrance. This is amazing, okay? Amazing down. You want this in your life, okay? And I want to say I combined this, right? I paired this with Cherry Ambition. So when I tell you, I smelled like, oh my goodness. I'm just going back at how I smell. Ooh, okay. So I smell like not only a cherry bomb, but like a roasted, spicy, amber, down, dark cherry type of vanilla sweet fragrance. I mean, that's what I smell like. This partnering together is a masterpiece. Kid you not. I got so many compliments. Like, I was like, oh my goodness. I was shocked because I'm like, I love this, but I wouldn't think anybody else would love it because of the spicy wood. I was like, nobody gonna be checking for me, okay? They was checking for your girl, okay? And it wasn't the new red hair. I had to put a little ginger on it. Honey, you gotta have fun in the wintertime, okay? All that hibernation, you better hibernate, have a good time. Throw on a wig or two. Anyway, back to the fragrance. Honey, this pairing is amazing. I love this, okay? Cherry Ambition is good by itself. Very dark chocolate. Very sexy, right? But pairing this together, I can talk about this all night. And that is why we here chit-chatting, okay? Get this. And if you have this and you have this, pair it together. I'm telling you, masterpiece, okay? Woo! Next up, let's talk about it. I have the new Black Opium, and this is the Over Red Parfum, okay? Let's talk about this, all right? So I would have to say I love the bottle, okay? Let's start there. This deep red, sexy, it definitely gives me Lady in Red, stiletto, high stiletto pump, and like, come on over, baby. Well, maybe she's not singing that song. That's the only one that came off my head. Anyway, she on the sexy sex train, and looking good, smelling good, okay. Bottle. I'm talking about the bottle of it. Now the smell, it's alright.
I'm very disappointed.
Okay, it's not my favorite. Will I repurchase, or will I purchase a full bottle? Not even repurchase. Purchase a full bottle? No, I'm not checking for this fragrance, okay? And I'm going to tell you why. I think what throws me off about this, not only the white floral in this, but the coffee and cherry doesn't sit well with me with the combination that it's doing. It just doesn't. It just doesn't. Like the YSL Opium DNA, I don't mind the DNA, but mixed with cherry, and maybe it's this cherry with like, it gives me like a cherry greenness. I don't know. It's like you put the whole cherry stick in with the cherry. Whatever it is, it doesn't move me, okay? It doesn't give me the bottle. Like the bottle is giving me the sexy Lady in Red bit, high stiletto pump. The smell, when it smells, is like, it's like a facade, It's like the bottle gave you something, and then when you smelt it, it was like, you lied. Okay? You lied. So no, I don't enjoy it, but let's go over the notes. So we have cherry, green mandarin. Okay, so that's for the green. We have orange blossom, jasmine, black tea. Maybe it's the black tea. We have some Madagascar vanilla, coffee, and patchouli leaf. Okay, so maybe it's like too much of the green and green tea and the tea. And for me, I haven't had the best of luck with tea fragrances. Maybe that's where it's throwing me off of the sexy train. But again, the bottle is everything. So those that are a collector of Black Opium and the bottle, I love the bottle. The smell, pick somebody else, okay? Next up, let's talk about honey. The new Minnie Mouse, okay? The 100th anniversary Minnie Mouse. Let's talk about her. When I say I love this fragrance, okay? The violet of this really gives me like a fruity note, okay? It has strawberry in this. Oh my gosh. We have apple in this, but that violet, it really is like a candy violet to me. It really kind of steers on like the fruity, like a purple fruit, right? If you were to tell me like there was grape in this, or like a grape drink or something like that, or grape juice, like maybe not grape juice, but maybe like a grape soda, because it has a little fizziness in it. I would believe you. I would believe you if you told me grape soda was in this. Oh my gosh, that violet though, it pours, and that violet and that strawberry, it just works together. I cannot wait to wear this down, okay, in the springtime. I think this will be so pretty in the spring. I don't think that, this will be pleasant in the winter season. I think this will be pleasant, but I don't think that's going to be like crushing down the winter. Like, I don't think it's like chopping down winter, the ice storm, and we coming through and we're still smelling good. I mean, if you overspray, I think, somebody will smell you, but it gives me like a fresh type of feel, right? Like a fizzy, kind of a fizzy purple drink, like I said, but it is so beautiful. This is amazing. I cannot wait. Let's go over the notes. So we have apple, orange, lemon, lily of the valley, orange blossom, violet. We have musk, strawberry, and sandalwood. Ooh, baby. Okay. Like the original Minnie Mouse is amazing. Oh, it's beautiful. And it's like a marshmallowy, raspberry, strawberry type of fragrance. Oh, it's so good. And then this with the violet and the strawberry and goodness, and the apple. Amazing. Okay. So I would highly recommend. And the packaging? Oh, I know we're not talking about the packaging. The packaging. Okay. But it is amazing. I love the bottle. It's beautiful. You all know my favorite color is purple, royalty. I mean, she stepped in the room, okay? And she's sparkle, glisten, gliss. Beautiful, okay? Highly recommend you get this. They had a deal. I'm sure that they might have some deals and some discounts coming up. When you see it, grab it. You'll want it, all right? Beautiful. Kid you not, okay? Moving on. And last but certainly not least, let's get into it. My first impression. I got it. It's the Snif. It is the Vanilla Vice, okay? So the last time I talked about the Crumb Couture that I got, the blue one. Amazing. Smells like a buttery croissant, blueberry, all the things, so good. Well, I was on the site and I saw that they were coming up with this new Vanilla Vice, and I said, sign me up, because it's supposedly supposed to have ice cream. Okay? Sign me up for all the ice cream, the chocolate, the caramel, the cookies, the pies, the sugars. Do you want to smell like that? I do. Do you want to smell like a food? Me. I do. Okay? That's what the men folk like.
Big pie, little pie. Chocolate pie, vanilla pie, peanut butter pie.
I was just talking to my friend the other day. We were talking about the men folk. And the men folk like you smell like a blueberry pie, cookie, cake. Like they can suck you up. Suck. Is it suck? Suck.
Girl, you look so good, somebody ought to put you on a plate and sop you up with a biscuit.
Sup you up. Sup you up like a biscuit. Sop. So they can sop you up like a biscuit. Like, what the hell? But let's get into the notes. So notes, we have amberwood ice cream, Madagascar vanilla, musk, we have some sugar, and we have some jasmine sambac. Okay? When I tell you this, I want to try it. And I'm going to try it with my family to see if this is the ice cream I've been searching for all my life. Probably not. But, ooh, this smells so good. Ooh, let me put it on skin. I don't mind. And it comes with like a little tester. I love that. I love that you don't have to open up the box. You can, test it out. See if you like it. Other brands take notes. Anyway. Ooh, I love that. Very much vanilla, but that amber wood. So it definitely gives you ice cream. But it doesn't give you like ice cream to the point that my family members that don't like to smell like ice cream or sugars or pies or cake, you don't like to smell like food. I don't know why not. Anyway, your business. But those who don't like a heavy ice cream flair, ooh, this kind of, gives you like a little, spice. Gives you like a warm spice ice cream. Ooh, like you don't even see her coming. She's one of them, she's in that glasses, right? Schoolgirl, right? Schoolgirl glasses, Catholic schoolgirl. Let's go Catholic schoolgirl. And you like, okay, she's a good girl, goody two shoes, but then she come and she take off them glasses and then whip out that hair and it's like, she ready. It's one of those. Wow. I mean, this does. Ooh, it gives you a little creamy. I can see. Now, I will say, I can see someone. I feel like you have to like a Latonic type of note. Because I can see someone that may not like a milky, creamy, Latonic type of note. I can see you like, sis, this was not the vibe. But if you like a good milky, creamy, warm, spicy type of note, ooh, I think you would enjoy this. And honey, this will not break the bank. I was actually able to find some type of code somewhere. I borrowed somebody's code. But I was able to get this for 10% off. If I can find the code, I'll make sure I put it in the description box. But I was able to get at least 10% off. And this was like $65 at regular price. So, got a little discount. But this is really good. I would highly recommend that. I'm going to have to keep wearing this. But if you like a good creamy vanilla with some milk. Creamy vanilla and some milk. Yeah, you would like this. Wow. Okay. I don't know. It don't even matter. Okay, and that is all. That's all, family. That is my thoughts. What are your thoughts? Have you tried any of these fragrances? Let me know your thoughts below. Have you recently purchased any fragrances? I would love to hear your thoughts on anything that you have gotten of recent. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoy my videos. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.